Water Balance by Amber Turner, Unit 3. What is water? Water is a small V-shaped molecule composed of two chemical elements called hydrogen and oxygen. Water is formed by two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. They are then connected to one another by hydrogen bonding, thereby creating water. Water can come in all states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas, and is about 60 to 70% of what our bodies are made up of. Now let's talk about what the function of water is. There are many functions of water. Water can help regulate our body temperature by cooling us down through sweating. It helps to flush out toxins and waste from our bodies through the urine and helps transport nutrients to our cells throughout our body. Water can also serve as a lubricator. It lubricates our joints while also keeping things like our mouth and eyes moist. Without water, our body would have a hard time digesting food. Water is essential on helping our bodies break down food as well as aiding during bowel movements. As you can see, water is important, but how much water do we need on a daily basis? A lot of people say that 8 glasses of water a day is sustainable for all men and women, but in reality it's different according to each person's body. The average total that's commonly seen throughout the population is that men should drink about 15.5 cups a day and women should drink about 11.5 cups a day. That seems like a lot of water for just one day, so let's talk about some ways we can reach our daily water goal. There are actually many ways we can do so. You can use your resources like your phone to set your reminders or track how much water you've drinking throughout the day. You could create a routine, like drink a cup of water in the morning before meals and at night. And then if you're not a big water drinker, you can also add some fruits or vegetables and a slice of lemon or herbs. But you want to stay away from the water additives because they have a very high sugar content. Water isn't the only way you can get your daily amount in. There are some foods that have a high water content. Did you know that at least 20% of our water intake comes from food? If you don't feel like drinking, you can always eat some fresh strawberries, watermelon, or even some cucumbers. There are some great benefits if we drink our daily amount of water, but let's talk about some things that can happen if you don't have enough water in your body. One thing that can happen is our body will become dehydrated. When our body becomes dehydrated, it can affect several body systems such as our brain, heart, digestive tract, and our kidneys. Without water, our bodies wouldn't be able to regulate our temperature. Water deficiency can also cause things like headaches, fatigue, decreased urine output, as well as dry mouth or sunken eyes. In severe cases, dehydration can cause your body to collapse or become faint and dizzy. These are very important reasons why we must have our daily water intake. The final thing we're going to talk about is how the population's beverage choice influences the function of water in the body. Your beverage choice can determine what level of hydration is reached in our bodies. If you choose a sugary drink or a drink that's high in sodium, like a sports drink, it can cause reduced water intake, but also improper hydration due to the extra calorie intake. It is important that we choose to make healthy decisions daily when it comes to our water goals because it's very easy to throw your body below the normal functioning levels when you don't have the proper amount of water. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and now know the importance of water balance. Make smart hydration decisions and take care of your bodies.